In this video, we'll explore API collections, from creating your first collection to organizing and managing API requests. We will also cover features like collection variables, authorization, and importing and exporting of collections. You can install Requestly as a Chrome extension or as a desktop app. After downloading, open the app, and you can access the API client from the sidebar. A collection is like a folder where you can group related API requests. You can create a new collection by clicking the New button on the sidebar. Provide a meaningful name to your collection. You can also add a short description in the Markdown format. Now, let's add a new API request to the collection. Let's rename this request as Get All Posts. Provide the necessary details like request method and request URL. Click on the Save button to save the request inside the collection, and use the Send button to run the request. You can organize large collections by creating sub-collections inside them, similar to nested folders. This approach is really helpful for keeping your workspace organized as the number of APIs increases. You can just drag and drop API requests to move them from one collection to another, or use the Move option from the menu. To delete an item, click the Options menu next to it and select Delete. When managing multiple requests or collections, utilizing bulk actions can significantly enhance efficiency. You can use bulk actions to move, delete, export, or duplicate requests or collections in one go. Collection variables let you set values once and reuse them in all requests within the same collection. To set it up, open the collection and go to the Variables tab. Add a name for your variable and choose its type. You'll see two fields, initial value and current value. The initial value is synced across your workspace. The current value is local to you. You can override it anytime without affecting others. To use a variable inside a collection, wrap the variable name in double curly braces. As soon as you type the opening braces, you'll also see an autocomplete menu to help you select from available variables. You can also set up authorization at the collection level. It automatically applies to all requests inside that collection. This way, you don't have to repeat credentials for every request. For example, GitHub APIs require authentication. To set this up, open the Collections Authorization tab, choose Basic Auth, enter your username, and use your personal access token as the password. Now, even without adding auth to each request, it works because it's inherited from the collection. As you can see, the request was successful, and an empty GitHub repository was created. To export a collection, click Option menu next to Collection and choose Export. This will download a JSON file. To import collections into Requestly, click the Import button, select the import type, and choose your export file. To sum it up, collections let you keep related API requests organized. With collection variables, you set values once and reuse them anywhere in that collection. You can also apply authentication to all requests at once. And with bulk actions, import and export, handling big projects is much easier. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.